Do you often experience bloating or discomfort after meals? Or struggle with other digestion problems that disrupt your day, like indigestion or gas? What if there was a simple, natural solution right in your kitchen? In today's video, we're going to talk about one of nature's most powerful, yet often overlooked remedies, fennel seeds. These small, aromatic seeds have been used for centuries to improve digestion and support overall health. But what makes fennel seeds truly special is their ability to offer relief from some of the most common digestion issues, things like bloating, gas, and indigestion, when consumed regularly after meals. So let's start with Benefit 1. Aids digestion and reduces bloating. We've all been there, the uncomfortable, full feeling after a large meal. Whether it's a holiday feast or a simple lunch, bloating is a common issue that many of us face. It's caused by gas, indigestion, or poor digestion, and it can leave you feeling sluggish, uncomfortable, and even a little miserable. So, how do we tackle this problem? Enter fennel seeds. Fennel seeds contain a compound called anethole, which plays a key role in promoting smooth digestion and reducing bloating. Anethole works by relaxing the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, which helps food and gas move more easily through your system. This can lead to less bloating and a more comfortable post-meal experience. But that's not all. Anethole also has antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can reduce cramps and discomfort in your digestive system, helping to expel excess gas and alleviate that bloated feeling. Scientific research backs up these claims. A study published in Phytotherapy Research highlighted how fennel seeds can relieve bloating and improve digestion. The study found that fennel extract was effective in reducing symptoms of indigestion and gas, which are often the culprits behind bloating. So, what's the best way to benefit from fennel seeds? Chewing fennel seeds after meals is one of the easiest ways to enjoy their digestive benefits. Just a small amount can help to calm your digestive system, promote smoother digestion, and prevent bloating from setting in. It's a simple, natural remedy that's both effective and easy to add to your daily routine. Benefit 2. Helps in weight management. If you're looking to manage your weight, the foods you eat and when you eat them play a crucial role. Many people overlook the power of natural remedies to help curb cravings and boost metabolism. But what if a small change to your diet could help you feel fuller for longer, control hunger, and support your weight management goals? That's where fennel seeds come into play. Fennel seeds are an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for weight management. Fiber helps control appetite by keeping you feeling full longer, which can prevent overeating and unnecessary snacking throughout the day. When you eat fiber-rich foods like fennel seeds, they expand in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness that reduces hunger. Moreover, fennel seeds can also promote a healthy metabolism. The fiber content in fennel seeds not only aids digestion, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is key for weight control. Stable blood sugar levels help prevent the rapid spikes and crashes that often lead to cravings and overeating. By keeping your blood sugar levels balanced, fennel seeds can reduce hunger pangs and make it easier to stick to a healthy eating routine. Research supports the role of fiber in weight management. A study published in the Appetite Journal found that high-fiber foods like fennel seeds can significantly help in controlling appetite, leading to better weight management. The study highlighted that people who consumed fiber-rich foods were less likely to overeat and had more stable energy levels throughout the day. Benefit 3. Supports healthy hormonal balance. Hormonal imbalances are something many people struggle with, and they can lead to a variety of issues, from mood swings to irregular periods and even discomfort during menopause. Whether it's due to stress, diet, or aging, balancing hormones can be a challenge. But what if a small natural addition to your daily routine could help support hormonal health? Enter fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are rich in phytoestrogens, which are plant-based compounds that mimic the action of estrogen in the body. These compounds can play a key role in helping to balance hormone levels, especially for women. For women experiencing symptoms of PMS, menopause, or hormonal fluctuations, fennel seeds can be incredibly beneficial. The phytoestrogens in fennel seeds help regulate estrogen levels in the body, which can reduce symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. They also help alleviate discomfort associated with irregular periods by supporting hormone regulation. How does it work? Fennel seeds' phytoestrogens bind to estrogen receptors in the body, which can help maintain hormonal balance without causing the side effects that come from synthetic hormones or medications. This makes fennel seeds a gentle, natural way to support hormonal health. Research from studies like those published in Phytomedicine supports the idea that fennel seeds can have a positive impact on female reproductive health. The study shows how fennel seeds help balance hormone levels, ease the symptoms of PMS, and promote overall well-being during menopause. Benefit 4. Rich source of antioxidants for overall health. In today's world, we're constantly exposed to free radicals, harmful molecules that can damage our cells. These free radicals come from sources like pollution, stress, and even the food we eat. Over time, the damage caused by free radicals can contribute to premature aging, chronic diseases, and even some forms of cancer. But there's good news. Fennel seeds can help protect our bodies from this oxidative stress. Fennel seeds are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and vitamin C. These powerful antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing the potential damage they can do to our cells. The antioxidants in fennel seeds work by neutralizing free radicals, which helps prevent oxidative stress, a condition where the balance between free radicals and antioxidants is disrupted. Oxidative stress can lead to inflammation and cellular damage, but by consuming antioxidants like those in fennel seeds, you're supporting cellular repair and boosting your immune system, both of which are crucial for long-term health. Research published in the Journal of Food Science supports this. Studies show that fennel seeds have significant antioxidant activity, helping protect cells from oxidative damage. This makes fennel seeds a great addition to your diet, especially if you want to fight the effects of aging and protect your body from chronic illnesses. Benefit 5. Supports heart health and blood pressure regulation. Heart disease and high blood pressure are two of the leading health concerns globally. According to the World Health Organization, cardiovascular diseases are the #1 cause of death worldwide. So, finding ways to support heart health and maintain healthy blood pressure is crucial. Fennel seeds can be a powerful ally in this area. They're a good source of minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all essential for maintaining a healthy heart and regulating blood pressure. Potassium is a vital mineral that helps relax the blood vessels, which can reduce pressure on the walls of your arteries. This helps lower blood pressure, a key factor in preventing heart disease. Magnesium and calcium, on the other hand, play an important role in regulating the heart's rhythm and circulation. Magnesium helps ensure the heart beats normally, while calcium supports the contraction and relaxation of the heart muscles. Together, these three minerals work to keep your heart healthy and your blood pressure in check. Research published in journals like BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies highlights how fennel seeds positively impact heart health and blood pressure. The study showed that fennel seeds, due to their mineral content, can help lower high blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular function. Fennel seeds provide several science-backed health benefits. They aid digestion, alleviate bloating, and help control appetite, making them great for digestive support and weight management. They also balance hormones, offering relief from PMS or menopause symptoms. Additionally, fennel seeds boost antioxidant levels, fighting oxidative stress and protecting cells from damage. They support heart health by regulating blood pressure, promoting overall cardiovascular wellness. To reap these benefits, you can add fennel seeds to your routine after meals, whether by chewing, sprinkling on dishes, or brewing them into tea. Share your experience with fennel seeds in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.